Mini-Me. What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna take over the world, dummy! Like we always do!
Oh, look, I think we're on.
Hi kids! Welcome to the DeadPewPie Show. I'm your host, DeadPewPie. And this is my sidekick, Deadpool. Deadpool, say hello!
Hello!
Today's show, we got a new toy for you. Hold on, kids. Deadpool, go get the toy.
Oh, okay. Ta-da! Here we go! Here's the new toy.
Oh, okay. Give the viewers a close-up.
Okay. It's called talkingfriends. See? Let's open it now. There we go. Yay.
Okay, now play with it.
Okay, here's a close-up. I'll push the button.
Zag want to race.
Go! It doesn't move on its own.
Oh, man, I think you have to push it yourself. Hey, fix my money desk.
Okay. I fixed the money disc. There we go.
Zag here.
Be careful, dummy.
Zag love to play Smash. Play Smash. Play Smash.
Be careful, my money desk, big dummy. Come on, stop messing up my money desk.
Yoo-hoo! Zag here. Zag love racing. Zag need more speed. Zag bouncing. Zag ready to smash.
I think that's all it does, Mini-Me.
Oh, okay.
I think I just give it thumb sideways. One thumb side. That's all.
Oh, it's just okay, toy. Well, that's all we have for today, folks. Tune in next time. Bye. Say bye, Deadpool.
Bye. I love you, Mini-Me.
I love you too. Bye.
I love tacos.
I love tacos.
We love tacos.